Hello kids, let's learn two weeks name Hindi and English. It's colors name: red color, yellow color, blue color, brown color, light pink color, sky blue color, orange color and pink color. Weeks name kids, English and Hindi. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Sunday means Ravivar. M O N D A Y. Monday. Monday is Somewhere. P U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Tuesday is Mangalwar. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Wednesday means Budhwar. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Thursday means Guruvar. F R I D A Y. Friday. Friday means Shukrar. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Saturday means Shanivar. Sunday Ravivar. Monday Somwar. Tuesday Mangalwar. Wednesday Budhwar. Thursday Guruvar. Friday Shukrar. Saturday Shanivar. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.